Hi guys, thanks for joining me. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I post new videos Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays at 7 p.m. Eastern time, so please make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of them. Now today I want to review an eyebrow pencil and brush set that I got from Aliexpress. I got this from a seller named Beauty Lady off of Aliexpress, and it only cost me 86 cents. So I was like, even if it's really crappy, it's only 86 cents. So what the hell? So it took maybe 12 days, maybe more like 2 weeks to arrive. So for an overseas purchase, because it is a Chinese product, and I mean, there's Chinese print all along there, that's pretty good time. So it comes in like this really cute cheetah print gold casing, which looks really cool. And it looks like a pen. It's really just like a regular eyebrow pencil brush. And I take this top off and it exposes an eyebrow brush. And I don't know if you can see that. It has some little bristles there and they're pretty soft. They're not too hard. And I'll go ahead and test that. You can see I have pretty bushy eyebrows and they seem to be taming those. So the quality of the brush is pretty good. And so you can also pull that off to expose the pencil. Now this is a dark coffee color tone, and I'm going to include all of the product descriptions and information at the bottom of this screen so that you can have that there. But this is the coffee brown tone. And the pencil, it just looks like a normal eyebrow pencil there. You can see it's sharpened and, you know, it's a medium length, so it'll last you a while. And so I'm gonna go ahead and do a little wrist test so that you can see exactly what kind of shade you can expect. And there, again, this is the dark coffee color. Okay, and I am going to go ahead and take this on a test run to see the quality of this item, see if it compares to my other ones. And I'm going to pull up a mirror here so I can see a little bit better. The brush is really nice. It glides really smooth. I'm barely applying any pressure, and I'm getting some really good color. Alright, so this is the finished product. Overall, I feel like the color might have been a little misleading. It says that this is a dark coffee color. It does seem to be a little bit lighter than what I would imagine to be a dark coffee color. If I were to buy this again, I would probably get closer to a black color. But otherwise it glides on really nice. I do love the fact that it is a 2-in-1. So rather than me, especially when I'm traveling, rather than me having to pack a pencil and my eyebrow brush, I can just throw this in the bag. I love the cheetah print. I am an animal print lover, so I live for that. But otherwise, I think that it's a pretty good product. It's worth it trying and seeing if it works for you. Again, my only thing is I don't feel like the color dark coffee, or even the color that was shown on the website, truly matches what I actually got. I believe that it could have been a little bit darker, but as far as the quality of it, I think it's a keeper. So I would give this eyebrow pencil and brush a thumbs up. Again, please, please, please comment. Let me know if you've tried this product and what your thoughts are. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Again, I post videos Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. See you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.